Hey, thanks for watching How to Do Everything. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a pretty common household repair. We're going to be repairing a hole in your wall. Real simple process. You only need a few tools to do it. First, you're going to need some spackle. I use this Drywall. There's a million different brands that you can use to do this, but this one works good. You're going to need a spackling or putty knife. They come in a bunch of different sizes. Depending on how big the hole you have to fill will determine how big of a knife you'll get. You're going to need a sanding sponge or sandpaper. These are real common for sheetrock sanding. You can get them at Lowe's or Home Depot, any hardware store. A couple bucks for a pack of them. And I am going to use the screwdriver. The hole we're going to be repairing today is this hole right here, and it's typically when you hang pictures, you'll have an anchor, and when you pull the anchor back out, you'll be left with this hole here. This hole's a little different because it's actually protruding, you can see there, from the wall. So what we're going to do first is, before you take any spackle or sand anything, we're going to take this screwdriver here, and you see how it has a ball end on it. We're going to take the screwdriver and we're going to tap on the hole just a few times, that right there. And what that's going to do is it's going to recess the hole so that when we put our spackling over it, it's nice and smooth and it doesn't actually bulge out. Now we'll go ahead and open up our spackle. And this spackle is pretty cool. As you can see, it's like a purple color, and it goes on purple, and whenever it dries, it's going to turn white, so that way you know when it's dry. Just going to take our putty knife and just get just a little bit of it, like that. And the first thing we're going to do is take the blob of putty, and we're going to push straight into the hole to try to fill it up. Just like that, push straight down. And then we'll scrape off the excess. There you go. And the reason we do that is we want to get a good thick application of putty inside that hole so that it's not just on the surface, and if you push on it or sand it, it breaks through. We want it to be thick. So we're actually going to do again, push another coat in there, and then scrape off the excess. Put that back in our spackle jar. And now that we have that, what we're going to do is let this dry, and it'll turn white when it's dry, and then we'll come back and begin sanding. Alright, now that our plaster has dried, we're going to take our sanding sponge and we're just going to lightly sand over the area. Wipe the excess off. We just want to make sure that it's nice and flat. There we go. And once you're done sanding, if you notice there's still a little low spot, you can come over it again with another coat of the plaster, or sheetrock mud, as some people call it. And if it's good, then all you have to do now is paint. So there you have it, guys. That's how to repair holes in your wall with spackling or drywall mud. And it's a real simple process. It only takes about probably 5 minutes to do, and you know, the longest time, I guess, is waiting for the spackling to dry. And you can take a putty knife and do all of your holes. And by the time you get done, you'll be the first part will be dry, so you can come back and start sanding. So, hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something, and check out our other videos. And thanks for watching How to Do Everything. We'll see you guys in the next one.